Oh no, that didn't turn out well, did it? Hello and welcome back to the shed. Today we're looking at a cordless wet and dry vacuum cleaner. It is auto excess car maintenance, whatever that is, the brand of it. It's a 40 watt. It's got capacity is 2 times 2000 milliamp. It's a 7.4 voltage. The suction is 3800 PA, whatever that is, no idea. Work time is 15 to 20 minutes. USB recharge time 3 to 4 hours. Now, I got this from Aldi's a while back. The weather has been shite in Wales since God knows last year sometime. But I thought I needed one. I needed one to clean my keyboard, my PC, and the front of the PC. Don't know about you, but every time the missus had the Hoover out, I was there stealing it and giving the front grille and the top a bit of a Hoover. And I thought it'd be handy to get on my own. So I seen this in Aldi's in the middle aisle a while back now, and I thought, you know what, I'll get it. It cost me, it was $14.99. Let's hope it's okay for that kind of money. I haven't charged it up. I haven't took it out of the box or anything like that, so I don't know. It comes with 2 attachments. Have a look at this. Oh. You've got a nozzle type. I think that's to get down the side of chairs and whatever. You've got a brush type that would clean like the front grille or something, or your keyboard or something like that. And you've got a USB cable, which is about a meter long, which is not bad, to be fair. It goes in there like that. You plug it into your USB and it'll charge up. But so anyway, does this come off? So that detaches easily, but how do you? Where's the? I tell you what, let's get the instructions out. Well, that's not the instructions; it's a warranty card. That's all that's in the box. So if I leave it there, so if you want to read that, you can pause it and zoom in or whatever it is. Let's have a look. It's number 1, dust collecting cover. 2, the filter. 3, power switch, USB charge port, USB brush, head nozzle, flat head. Charging adapter not supplied, so you don't get an adapter, you just get the USB cable. How to use: charge vacuum before use. Fail there, we haven't done that. Blah blah blah. It says here, charge time approximately 3 to 4 hours. When light turns green, the battery is fully charged. Working time is 15 to 20 minutes. That's not long, is it? So it's 12 to 1 ratio. So it takes 12 times as long to charge as it is how much use you got in it. I don't know if that's any good or not, or if I'm right at all. I don't know. Applying the correct nozzle according to your cleaning needs. So I guess that'll be down for the side of the chairs, whatever. And that when you want to clean the keyboard or a grill. Push the button, power button, to start cleaning. Once you finish cleaning, press the power button to turn it off. To empty the dust and debris, simply twist the dust collecting cover to unlock it and empty your waste. Reverse action to lock the dust cover back. Now, I was going to say, how do you get the filter out? Like, the filter just fits in there. So I guess what you do is just empty it out. It says it's wet and dry, so does that mean it'll suck up water as well? That's all it does say. That's it for the instructions. It doesn't say you need anything different for wet or dry. In fact, it doesn't even mention about anything about wet on here. Makes me wonder whether this is wet or dry. Anyhow, we'll try it out. So let's get this off the cover. Stick that on. What's that piece of grass? Off. And twist, and that's on. You can do it, I think, without if you want to just suck up loads of bad shit. I'll have to, you know what? I'll have to get a biscuit or something from the shed, from the house. So that'll do for. That fits all the way in there. I don't know if you can see that. So let's turn it on. Let's see if it'll suck up. Not bad. Not bad at all. Probably even better when it's right, turn it off. Well, what I want to do is find some. Back in a minute. I'm going to get a biscuit or something to clean up. So after that short pause, got myself a tuck biscuit. Quite nice actually. Let's make a mess. You see that? I think that's enough on you. So here we go. Let's see how it is at sucking tuck biscuits. Look at that. Impressive. Let's have some more. Make it a bit finer. What am I like for then? Now that is, if you ask me, that is all right. And one more. Actually, I'll have that. Bigger pieces. Now, there's a bit there. Do you know what? I'm not lying, for the little machine. That's doing alright, to be fair. Now if you stop it, and there's the stuff, don't know if you can see that. There's the stuff in there. Just sucked all that tuck biscuit up, look at that. Now that's pretty cool. That's just with that attachment on it there. So all you need to do then is twist it. Nothing on there. Take the filter out. Give it a tap. And put it in the bin. Where's my bin gone? Oh, that's good. There you are. I suppose it could do with a brush or something to clean inside it. Now here's the thing. It said it does wet or dry. So let's put this back on and put that there. That just slots in whichever way you want that. That'll be. Does that fit on that actually? Oh look, there you go. So that actually fits up on top of that, and you can do it. I put it the right way, that is, it doesn't really matter. And you can do it that way. Have I just banged my mic? Probably have. And there we are. So you can get the grills or whatever it is you want to do. Anything with a grill on it. Clean the skeleton if you want to clean the skeleton. Pick those balls. There we are. So that's that. So let's turn it off for a minute. Oh shit. Let's try that again. That's better. Take this off. Take that off. Let's take the brush off. Pretty snug fit. Now, got a bit of water here. See, I do prepare for things. And I want to know if it'll suck this water up. This thing recording? I think so. Right there. If you can hear a whirring sound, It's the little laptop there straining away. So here we are. We've got some water in there. Don't know if you can see that. I'm going to see if this actually sucks. That's what it is, wet or dry, right? Yeah, cordless wet and dry vacuum cleaner. So here goes. If it doesn't work, it's going back. I've put up the receipt somewhere. Look at that. All gone. Oh. Oh, no, that didn't turn out well, did it? Don't know if you can see that. Well, that's not wet and dry, is it? How can that be wet and dry if it's pissing out the other end? Well, that's not wet and dry in my book. Shit. Cordless wet and dry vacuum cleaner. Wet and dry. Oh, knocked over the little guy. See what the little guy says? See that? Subscribe. Okay, I'm wet. The vacuum's wet. My mat is wet. So that was a fail. Shit. What's going on here then? So folks, I don't think it's meant to suck up water. It did a valiant job, but it pissed it out the other end. So at the end of the day, oh my God, it's not good for sucking up water. Did it suck? In a way, yeah. But for all the wrong reasons. Oh my God. I'm so folks, the Auto XS cordless wet and dry. Let's cross that out and put dry vacuum, shall we? I don't know what else I'm doing wrong, to be fair. What else does wet and dry mean then? So another gander at these instructions. I don't get it. Am I doing something wrong here? Because otherwise, if you want to use it to suck dust from your butt crack or the keyboard or whatever else, fine. Don't suck water up with it, or it's going to come pissing out this side. Right then, okay, that is it for this one. I've got another little Hoover, a cordless vacuum, whatever you want to call it. So if you like this video, do us a favour, give us a like, subscribe if you can. I'm going to try my best to get to 500 subs over the summer. I'm at 340, I think now, something like that. And if there's anything you want me to have a look at, let me know, and if I can afford it, I'll buy it. I don't get free stuff very often. If you've got any free stuff you want to send me, I've got a contact email in my bio. So until then, until next time, take care. Bye-bye.